Oh my God. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. Hi everyone, this is Vivian.
Boss,
Hello.
hello to our mukbang again.
Today we are going to
Mukbang.
eat all of this Korean street food from Chili.
Chilicious.
They specialize in Korean street food. Last time nagmukbang kayo.
Ikaw yung camera girl.
So ngayon, ang ibibida naman natin ay Korean street food.
So, anong unahin natin?
Ito ay noodles. Ramen noodles with kimchi. So, I forgot the name. I will put the name here. Meron din silang intense dumpling platter.
Yeah.
This is the dumpling
My
platter.
favorite.
Meron din silang homemade
Tteokbokki.
tteokbokki sauce. Of course, odeng, which is also fish cake. Meron din anchovy soup pala yun.
Anchovy soup.
Nilalagay. And meron din spicy with cheese.
Non-spicy.
Not spicy with cheese. Fish cake.
This kimchi.
I don't know what this is. I forgot. Para siyang samgyup rolls with cheese inside. Okay,
Okay.
let's do this.
Start tayo muna dito sa platter.
Lagyan natin yung sauce, which is soy sauce.
You know. Sarap. Alright, let's do this. So, ano ang tawag dito?
Is dumpling. Dahil maulan ngayon, parang masarap kumain ng noodles na maanghang. Yan lang. Mahilig ka spicy.
Naman.
Hindi.
Dumpling number 2.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
Mmm.
Ang anghang, pero ang sarap. Ooh, is that cheese? Mm.
Sarap.
Ah. Oh my God, ang anghang. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. NR.
Tapos di na manghang. Ganun ka anghang.
Diba?
Wait.
Miss ko yan.
Ito ba?
Ang sarap.
And ito yung fish cakes, diba?
Yes, meron na rin siyang tteokbokki sauce and
Anchovy.
anchovy soup. Mmm, ang sarap. Ang sarap ito. Ang sarap ng sauce.
Friends lang po pala kami. Wala mo sabihin mo.
Eh, pwede rin daw siya lagyan ng tteokbokki sauce.
Parang nakakain natin.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ang sarap nga, grabe. Fish cake! Fish cake! Fish cake!
Mm-hmm.
Ikaw ako. Iba lang pagkakaluto.
Iba lang yung sauce.
May cheese siya. Kimbap.
Simba. Pahinga muna ako. Oh yeah.
It
It has
all the samgyup stuff
Yeah.
and more. It's like samgyup in one bite. Tteokbokki on a stick with cheese.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Malasa yung sauce.
Yeah. Ah.
Fish cake and this one. Gimari pala. Kimari.
Favorite ko. Yan. Tawag yan?
All them.
Odeng.
I love this so much. It's so good. Mm. Ah.
Ayun ako, guys. So, yun po.
Sumuha na kami.
Thank you kay Chilicious.
For the Korean street food.
Hit them up kung gusto nyo.
So,
Stay at
mag-deliver
home,
sila.
don't be pasaway, and order at Chilicious.
Kung ano yung gusto niya pang imukbang namin sa susunod.
Comment down below.